Upscayl is free and open source AI image upscaling application that helps improve the quality of low resolution image. It's work on Windows, Macs and Linux and use AI to make blurry or pixels picture look sharper and cleaner. If you want to install Upscayl on Windows computer, the process is quick and easy. First open any browser, then search Upscayl image and click website. And download the latest Windows installer. Make sure you choose the version for Windows 10 or Windows 11. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file and double click to begin to installation. If Windows Smart Screen display a security warning, click more info and run anyway. If you downloaded the installer from the official website, follow the on-screen instruction until the installation is finished. After installing, launch Upscayl from the start menu or desktop shortcut. Before using the app, ensure your graphics card support Vulkan as Upscayl release on Vulkan for AI process. Updating your graphics driver can also improve performance and compatibility. Inside the app, simply choose the image you want to enhance. Select an AI model, choose the upscale size such as 2x or 4x and click Upscale button. The enhanced image will be saved your selected output folder. Upscayl work completely offline after installation, helping protect your privacy because your image stay on your computer. Whether you want to improve your old photos wallpaper, digital artwork or social media image, Upscayl offers simple and powerful way to increase image quality without paying for expensive software. It is an excellent choice for beginner and advanced user alike. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.